Welcome my dear students to the class of English Grammar Standard 8. Today we are going to see tenses, perfect tenses, all the perfect tenses. So first let us understand what is the meaning of perfect tenses. In perfect tenses, actions of verbs are completed. So perfect tenses means what? Where the action of the verbs are complete. Now let us see this chart over here. Here there are three types under perfect tenses. First is present perfect tense, second is past perfect tense, and third is future perfect tense. Now let us understand these three different tenses one by one. So first we will see present perfect tense. In this tense, action of the verb is completed in the present time of tense. Now let us see the formula for this tense. Subject plus have or has plus verb 3 plus object. So here first we write the subject, which is noun or pronoun. Then we write have or has. Then we write third form of the verb, and then we write object in the present perfect tense sentences. Now what is this verb 3? Let us understand through this chart over here. Verb 1, verb 2 and verb 3. Verb 1 means it is the base form of the verb. Verb 2 means it is the past tense form of the verb. And verb 3 means it is the past participle form of the verb. So here the examples also I have given. The first one is verb 1 will be write, that is the base form of the verb, and it will convert into the verb second, that is write will become wrote, and in the verb 3 write, wrote, it written. Likewise, see the remaining three examples. Go, went, gone, read, read or read, read. For read we write two different spellings, but the pronunciation will be read only. So read, 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 dance, danced, danced. So that is what is the concept of the verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, which we have understood through this chart. Now let us understand when to use have or has in the sentence. So see these pronouns which I have given here. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. So have, this verb is used with I, we, you, they, this pronouns, and has verb is used with he, she, it, with this pronouns. Now let us see the examples of present perfect tense. First example is here. You have played a cricket. Second, she has danced very well. Third, Rohan has gone to market. Fourth, people have gathered at meeting. So here you can see that when this pronoun have come, you pronoun is there. So we have used have verb, and with that played is the verb 3 form of verb, that is past participle form of the verb. So here you is subject, then we have used have, then we have used verb 3, and a cricket is an object in the sentence. Second, she has danced very well. Here she is subject, that is a pronoun. Has we have used because she is there. Then dance, which is verb 3, which is past participle form of the verb, and then very well is our object. Third, Rohan has gone to the market. Here has we have used with subject, and gone is the verb 3 to market. Fourth is people have gathered at meeting. People is subject, have we have used, and then gathered, and remaining is our object. Now let us see second type of perfect tense, that is past perfect tense. In this, action is completed in the past time of tense. The formula for these sentences are subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object. So in the both past and present we use third form of the verb. Even in the future tense also we use third form of the verb. Only this had will be replaced now. So let us see the sentences here. First, you had played a cricket. Second, she had danced very well. Third, Rohan had gone to the market. Fourth, people had gathered at meeting. So in the past tense, we use had here. Had verb is used with all the subject, with the pronoun, with all the pronouns and with all the nouns. So you can see had everywhere, and we can see the third form of the verb here in the past perfect tenses. So now let us see the third type of the perfect tense, which is future perfect tense. In this, action is completed in the future type of time of tense. The formula will be, our sentence will be framed as first subject, then shall have or will have, then verb 3, then object. So subject plus shall have or will have plus verb 3 plus object. So when we have to use this will have and when we have to use this shall have, let us see. When you have you, he, she, it, they, these pronouns, you will use will have this verb, and when you will have we or I, you will use shall have. So let us see the sentences here. First, you will have played a cricket. Because you is there, that is why we have used will have, and the verb 3. You will have played a cricket. Subject, will have, verb 3 and object. Second, she will have danced very well. Because she pronoun is there, that is why we are using will have, then verb 3 and then object. Rohan is subject here. With Rohan we will use will have gone to market. Verb 3 and remaining sentence, that is object. Fourth, people will have gathered at meeting. People is subject, will have, gathered is verb 3 and at meeting is an object here. Fifth, I shall have written a letter. Here I have taken two more sentences because I want to show you that whenever we are using I and we pronouns, that time we use shall have this verb. So because we have I in the sentence, that is why we are using shall have. Written will be the verb 3 form of the verb and a letter is an object. Again, see the last sentence. 6. We shall have participated in the competition. That means we are using we pronoun, that is why we are using shall have, and participated is our verb 3 and in the competition is our object. So this is how we complete here our all the perfect tenses, that is present perfect tense, past perfect tense and future perfect tense. I hope you have understood this very well, my dear students. Thank you so much.